Your homework today, we're looking at, everybody take a look at page 552 again. We're just doing more problems today. Security. All right. When we do these, so let's look at number 26. This is the first problem of your homework. On today's homework, if you show no work, you get no credit. I need to see your work today. Show your work, or I'm going to throw it in the garbage. Simple as that. Huh? Show your work. No? It's you realize it's almost June now. Where have you been? Okay. What is step number 1 after you write the problem? What are all the different ways I can multiply to get a 2? 2 and 1. This is the first problem of your homework, 26. Yeah? This is number 26. I haven't told you yet. Okay? Now, what's the next step? What are all the different ways to get to a 1 and 5? And then what do I have to do? List one of the two lists both ways. Okay? Outsides and insides, what am I looking to do? Add to 7. Outsides would give me 10, insides 1. That does not work. Outsides 2, insides 5. That works. So, remember, these two numbers, they give us our x values. So, 2x and 1x. The 5 and the 1, those give us our second numbers, 5 and 1. This sign means my signs have to be the same. In this case, they're going to be both positive. Please show all of that work. Okay? Let's do 28. What's 28 say? 10d squared. Cameron, will you shut the windows, please? Thank you. All right. 28. What's first step? What are all the different ways to get to a 10? 10 and 2? 10 and 2? How about 10 and 1? And then 5 and 2. Okay. What are all the different ways to get to a 7? 7 and 1, 1 and 7. Okay. Again, one list has to get listed both ways. What am I looking for? Add to 17. First one, outsides are 10. That works, right? And guys, go ahead and use your brain a little bit. I kind of knew this one was going to be 10 and 1 and one of these two, right? We kind of knew it wasn't going to be 2 and 5 because 10 plus 7 is 17. So what's my answer then? What goes here? 10x? X? 7 and 1. My signs have to be the same. Both positive. Okay? I want to jump all the way to number 44. Let's. Okay, I want to jump to 44.
Are we doing any problems in between?
Yes, you are. It's all right. They don't have to be in order on your homework. This is number 44. And if you do it a second time, then hopefully you get it right. What's step 1?
3 and 1.
3 and 1?
Oh my God.
8 would be 8 and 1. 1 and 8.
1 and 2.
4 and 2.
I said 4 and 2.
2 and 4. What am I looking for this time?
Subtract 10.
Now we're trying to subtract to 10. So if I get something like 8 and 2, it's not going to work, right? I'm looking for something like 12 and 2 or 13 and 3, something like that. Outsides give me 3, insides 8. No. 24 and 1. No. 6, 8.
No.
12, 2. Yes. So the last combo in this case happened to be our right answer. What does that mean about my answer? What goes here? 3x and 1x. What goes here? 2 and 4. Be careful with your signs. This means my signs have to be different, so I need one of each. The bigger number is positive. And remember, you have to look at the product. You have to multiply those. That's how I'm going to get my 12x. This is how I'm going to get my 2x. Do I want a positive 2x or a negative 2x? Which one of these do I want to be positive if I want to end up with a positive 10? I want the 12 to be the positive, which means the only way I can make the 12 positive is to make the 4 the positive, which means the 2 has to be the negative. Okay? Are we good with those? Okay. The other one I want to make sure we see is number 50. I want you to jump to 50 real quick. What is the first thing you absolutely have to do here? We never, ever, ever want to factor when that first term is a negative. So we divide by -1. We pull out that -1, which turns this into a positive. We turn that 16 into a negative 16x and a positive 16. Now our answer, we're just going to bring that -1 down in front. It's just going to be there. We can ignore it the rest of the time. Now we look at the 3. How do you get to a 3? 3 and 1. How do you get to a 16? 16 and 1, 2 and 8, 4 and 4, and then I got to list one of the two both ways, right? And what am I looking to do in this case? Add up to 16, right? So where do you want to start? Let's start down here. How about outsides give me 12, 4. Does that add up to 16? Yeah. Right off the bat, we found the right one. So, yeah. So, this is going to be 3x, 1x. What goes here? 4 and 4. My signs have to be the same, both negatives. So that is what your answer would be. Okay? Are we good with this? Okay.